Hi guys, Archie Luxury on the Pluta channel, and today guys I want to change my shoes, and I'm not talking about my shoes. I'm talking about my wristwatch strap. So I'm going to be using today a Barton strap, and these are quite unique because these straps here, they have a very special quick release system built into them. So I'm thinking this could be a perfect strap to add here to my I'm thinking about adding this. I'll just show you. See that's the special Barton. Very easy to undo the strap based on this little pin here. So I'm thinking maybe I'll change the strap that's on my Breitling. Now I put a rubber strap on, and it's a bit cheesy. You know what I mean? It's just a little bit cheesy. So we'll just take this off. Come on, you little bastard. Got it. It's just a little bit on the cheesy side. 1 minute, guys. Got it. Okay. So I'm thinking I might put on a beautiful Barton's canvas strap. So what do you think? What do you think? Indeed, I think this could be a really cool way to do it, and with the quick release system here, I can get this bugger on very quickly. So let me put the other end on now. This quick release system. Oops. Oops. Okie dokie, look at that. That's the Barton leather strap. So I just thought it'd be just a new pair of shoes for my Breitling Super Ocean, and let's just have a look. It gives it a completely different feel to it. This is a Barton's watch bands. Wow, I actually quite like it. I quite like it, because what I didn't like about the rubber was that nasty cheap clasp. It was a $20 eBay strap, and I think the grey there, I gotta tell you, I really like it. That's such a cool strap, canvas strap from Barton's. That's right, guys. So this here was a Barton's watch bands, and it's got the unique changing system. So I must say I think this could be this is a 22 mil, because I need 22. They do a lot of 20s. This is a 22 mil, and it's a canvas smoke grey 22 mil. I think that could be really cool. I think I really like that. Yes. So there you go, guys. Sometimes you want to get into a different mood with your watches. Sometimes change the shoes. And today I've used a Barton's watch band. Tell me me what you guys think of that. Is that cool? Is that cool or what? Archie Luxury, signing out.
Okay.
Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you guys, I stuffed up one of my video ads. You know the ad I did for crypto trends? Well, sorry, just a bit of depression eating. Anyhow. The ad I did for crypto trends, I advertised it as crypto trends 2018. It's just crypto trends, guys. I made a mistake. Cut me some slack, would you? Crypto trends. Go and check them out, guys. Crypto trends. Hi, guys. Archie Luxury channel, Paul Pluta channel. And my good friend, Tanzillin, answering super chats. It's not about the money. It's not about the money. I feel like I'm doing my passion. Tanzillin, simply the best. And he's got another one for you here. How's this? It's not about the money. It's not about the money. It's my passion. Scheitling on time. Simply the best. Now, guys, I gotta tell you, I struggle to survive full-time on YouTube. Please look in the description below for 10 ways you can keep me full-time on YouTube. Guys, I really need your help. Please consider getting a paid video review. I'll do a review on any watch, any question you want. Guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. You can sponsor me for as little as $1 a month. $1 a month, and that just keeps me going on full-time on YouTube. Guys, you could also, I do phone calls. You can talk to me for an hour on the phone, Skype or WhatsApp, for $50 US. Guys, I really do need your help to stay full-time. Ben cannot survive on Google Ads alone. Please help me. Please help me stay full-time on YouTube. And guys, don't forget that it's not about the money. It's my passion. Scheitling on time. Simply the best. Tanzillin, thank you. That's a sponsored bit from Tanzillin. I can do that for $150 a month if you email me directly. Look below for my email address, guys.